Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. Today I'm doing a little swipe wave that I do. I do a lot of these in my area. People like them. I usually do them on a bigger scale, but people, you know, I'm making a couple smaller ones. I just sold the small one I made a couple weeks ago. You can go back and check that one out. I'll link it here. So I just put my white down, and I just have to spread it out a little bit more because it was a little thick. I put it on a little thick in the middle there. So anyway, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I'm excited. I have some collaborations coming up, and hopefully that'll be exciting. So I'm not gonna say what they are yet, or with who, but I'm just I'm getting excited about that. And what else? I know I have a lot of dried paintings that I want to show you guys, and maybe next video I'll do a little or maybe I'll attach to this one at the end or in the beginning or whatever, to show you some of the dried results that I've gotten. And I'm not using it. I don't have any silicone in any of my paints, except I did put a couple drops in this one, and it's an ultramarine blue, and I used it. Actually, I have to add a little water to it, but I put the primary elements pigment in it. I believe it was called Dragonfire, I think. Hold on. I have it here somewhere. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Oh, I'm sorry, Meridian Blue. So I did that. That's what these are here, the primal elements. So I put that in with my ultramarine, and a drop of silicone, because I may not even use it. And then same thing with this one. This is just a blue, what is this? Ocean Breeze. No, I don't know. This is an old paint, so I just added some water to it. So I don't even know what brand it was. I think it might have been a Deco Art, but anyway, I added that, and I added a little interference turquoise to it. That's this stuff here, and that's by Deco Art. Colors today, I have my Anthracene Blue, I have some Artist Loft Turquoise, I have the Ultramarine Blue, I have the Ocean Breeze by, I think it's Deco Art, I have some Blue Flash by Folk Art, I have the Pebeo Iridescent Blue, very blue, and I have some 24 karat gold. I may swipe with the American Floetrol and Amsterdam white paint. It depends if I use the silicone or not, and what I get with it. All right, so I like to swipe with my swiping tool, which is a mess. I have to clean it off, but it's the knife. And let's go here and get right into it. All right, so if you haven't yet, I have a new channel. It's called The Art of Soap by Tina. I make cold presses soaps. It's really cool because it is a lot like this painting, fluid art. I can like fall asleep to the videos every night of people's soaping videos. But go check it out, The Art of Soap by Tina. I have like 3 videos, that's it. But I'd love you to check it out and subscribe there if you'd like, just for some fun videos. I have something in my paint. What is that? Okay. I'll just pop some of the air bubbles. All right. So I'm going to start. I'm going to put some blue down. It's the Anthraquin. And I'll put some turquoise. Maybe I'll try to blow it out with the hairdryer. I don't do that very often. All right. Blue Flash. I love this color. All right, and I am going to put in, but you know what, I'm going to wait to see, because if I like it, I'm going to put a little bit more blue though down here. And maybe just a touch of the gold. well, I love it. I think it looks great. There's a couple little areas that I'll probably keep fiddling with because I can't help it. But so I did end up, and this is how I do my ways. I don't want silicone in all my paints because I don't want it overpowered with cells. I just want the little bit of cells to give me that ocean foamy feeling look that I get when I do it. So I just took a little, I tried the American Floetrol and Amsterdam White, but it wasn't doing what I wanted to do. So I ended up putting just a little white in a cup, like not even 2 drops of silicone. And then you saw me, I just put a little on my knife and I swiped it. And I just went through a little bit. I did end up using just a very little bit of the ones that I had mixed. I'm really happy with this. I like it. It's a lot of movement, I might bring it out a little bit. So let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down, because I love when I get those. Have a great day, and please go check out my other channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.